What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day, as I say, in the UK. So as you guys can see, I'm in my Jag. Got the top peeled back. It's about 50 degrees out, still cold as hell, missing that Texas weather, but you know what? The sun's out, so I'm excited about that. So I brought you guys on today to show you guys the Sundown 15 subwoofer that I put in the back of this Jag. I've had it for a while. It's been sitting in my garage. I used to have it in my old 1990 XJ40 Jaguar. When I say this thing knock, boy, this thing knocks. So I got some copyright-free music brought by my homie Lucian White. His YouTube channel, he's got 2 of them. They'll be down in the description below. But he makes some pretty clean-ass beats. And I'm gonna play maybe 1 or 2 songs on here. That way I can play some copyright-free music for you guys to show you guys what this thing does, the performance of this Sundown subwoofer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to this undisclosed location. If you just tuning in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, give me a like, share, comment at the end of this video. I appreciate the support, but I'll turn you guys back on once I get to this location. All right, guys, so I made it out to the location. Wasn't far from the house. I just wanted to get away from the housing area. That way I'm not disturbing anybody. So I'm out here in this little open area. Just so I can give you guys a sample. But let me show you what I installed. Actually, as you guys can see, pretty fairly clean install. So this box is at 35 hertz, if I'm not mistaken. It's made for the Sundown itself. Got a 3200 watt Hyphonics amp, Zeus amp here. The battery and all that stuff is underneath this. So not too bad for a quick install. But like I said, this came up out of my Jag XJ40. And as you guys can see, this is now in my XJ6, sitting on 22s. It's dirty. It needs some work still done to it. The paint is not the best on it. It's got some little chips here and there on it from the clear coat, but it gets the job done. So yeah, let me show you guys what this thing does. I think it could be a little louder. I don't think this amp is enough for this subwoofer, but for the most part, give you guys a quick sample real quick. Let me see if I can find a one of my homie Lucian's songs. Give you guys a quick sample on that. Let's see. Give me a second while I kind of go through my phone trying to find a song. Like I said, my homie Lucian, man, he does some pretty nice beats. He typically gives me the beats for my YouTube channel. And his description and link and all that stuff will be down below. He's got 2 sites. He just 2 YouTube channels. One's for his music and one he just got a scat pack. Check out it. He's got some mods coming for that as well. Definitely big shout out to him. Let's go music. Let's see which one I can find. That.
Ldubbeats got that fire.
Lucian, if you watching this, boy, that beat be hitting. Hold on. it paused itself. Give me a second. Keep going off. I don't know what's up. Maybe it's the battery. Hold on. I don't know what's going on. It's not playing the full song. Oh, it's because I'm sampling it. That's why. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can get it up on here. My downloads. Yo, them joint. That thing banging, boy. Golly. Let me see. My videos, my downloads. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find his music. Audio. WhatsApp audio. There we go.
Ldubbeats got that fire.
I'm trying to find this one.
Oh,
this one right here.
Fire.
This ain't gonna hit, bro. Jesus, that thing's banging. So anyways, that was my sample for you guys. Just want to show you guys that install that I did on the Jag. Hold on. All right, so yeah, other than that, man, that's the sample that I wanted to give you guys. Lucian, them beats is banging, boy. I tell you, man, I'm gonna keep using those in my YouTube channel. For them background music. So Sundown 12, probably about 2 weeks ago. I didn't get to get any footage for you guys because it was raining and all that stuff when I did the install. But I mean, overall, man, I like it. Sundown is a pretty good sub to go with. The Hyphonics amp is 3200 watts. I think I can go a little bit stronger, give it more power. So I feel like that sub is banging, but it's not hitting as hard as it should be. And of course, the box could be a little bit bigger. Like I said, I think that one is 35 hertz or something like that. I'm not exactly sure on the hertz, but the box can be a little bit bigger. But I had to get the box customized to fit the trunk because the way the trunk is set up. The trunk is a little bit smaller than the size that I need. I think I need like a 40 something. I could be wrong on the hertz, but it needs to be a little bit bigger. So the box I had in my old Jag was a lot bigger, more airflow, sounded a lot deeper, but it does the job, man. Let's just say that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But like I said, this sub is something else in this Jag. I love this Jag. This is gonna be my souvenir to bring back to Texas whenever I go back to Texas, because the steering wheel's on the right hand side, and I swear you feel like a boss driving this thing. But yeah, pulling up to the house now, man. I'll get with you guys later. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. I got plenty more videos coming for you guys, some more DIYs. I got some other things coming in the mail that I'm gonna install. Appreciate it again. Saunders Lifestyle, and I'm out.